Hi, I'm Jessica King. I'm with Stratus Building Solutions of Greater Madison. We are located right off the Beltline in Madison. We serve the 9 southwestern counties in Wisconsin, so all the way to the Minnesota border and then up to central Wisconsin. I love the community. I love that it's diverse. It has lots of different businesses. It has people that are eager to grow and make the world a better place. We offer any type of cleaning service that a business would desire. The only thing we do not do is home cleaning. So if a company wants us to do day porter or do carpet cleaning or regular reoccurring cleanings, we do all of that. Anything from a daycare to a church, a hospital to food service industry. We are there to clean and keep things healthy and keep customers coming in for our customers. So my background, I've been in the corporate world for the past 20 plus years, everything from supply chain to process improvement and logistics. So when I decided to invest in a franchise with Stratus, it was really to help the local community and use all of my knowledge in process improvement and how to run businesses and make the world healthier and cleaner. So our ideal customer is somebody who owns a business and is looking to make sure that they're getting what they pay for as far as cleaning. And what we do is we price to clean, and we do monthly or quarterly inspections to make sure that the franchisees are upholding brand standards. The core values of Stratus are twofold. The first is we really look to uplift people and help them create and maintain their own business and grow as quickly or as slow as makes them comfortable. And then we're also looking to make sure that we keep the world healthy, clean, and safe. We have been the fastest growing franchise for the last 3 years in a row in the US and Canada. We've been ranked best in class for commercial cleaning, and we've also been consistently ranked as a top franchise for women. When people ask me why customers should call Stratus, it's because we really do follow through on what we promise. We really become a partner with you, and as I mentioned before, we help bring customers through your door.